So this is how it looks right now, and this is how it looks after. What you think? Guys, welcome back to the Trokiando channel. Now today we're gonna be changing out the factory halogen headlights assembly. This is what's gonna be replacing them. These are the OEMs and these are the Raptor Euro style headlights. Let's go ahead and get this project started. It's not too hard from what I've read. Disclaimer, this will be my first time actually working on a Ford. So guys, it's not gonna be a how-to video, but we are gonna be going through it and kind of showing you what we take off. Not only are we gonna be changing out the headlights and the fog lights, we're also gonna be using ForScan to program them in. Now, the good thing is when we bought these headlights, they came with some instructions and kind of told us what parameters we needed to change. Also, another quick disclaimer. We do not encourage you guys to do this if you guys are not confident enough to work on a vehicle. You mess up a lot of things if you don't know what you're doing. So if you don't feel confident enough to doing that, you don't want to get on a laptop, you don't want to be changing parameters and changing all that information, don't do it. Take it to someone that knows, get it done right, don't mess up your vehicle. We feel a little confident. We don't know what we're doing, but we're about to find out.
The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out.
Stick around the video, check it out, let us know what you think on the transformation. And so we got the headlights, we got the fog lights, we got the harness as well. Now this is a plug and play harness. We got these things from Coyote F150s. You can go to the website, order this stuff from them. Now we also got some of the tools. You don't need too many tools. Pretty much all you need is a 7mm, 8mm, and a 10mm socket. The ratchet, either if you're gonna use 3/8, you do 3/8, or if not a 1/4 inch, use that. And that's about it. Actually, a clip removal tool. That way you can remove the clips as well. And I'm gonna show you what clips we're gonna be removing. That's it, guys. Now we're gonna be going to the extra steps and taking off the bumper. For that, we're gonna need a 21mm socket to take off the bumper. I think it's 3 bolts and then it comes right off. Let's get this thing started. Wish us luck. So the clips that we gotta take off, guys, it's that easy. They just pop off. You don't need this tool. You could use a flathead screwdriver, but it makes it a lot easier if you have this. See? All right, now we got that plastic off. We're about to take off the top bolt on this grill. These are 10mm bolts. These 2 sensors here. So we're just gonna take off the plugs off of them. That way they don't get out of the way when we pull the grill out. Before we keep going, guys, I forgot to take off these bolts right here. Vamos a quitar estos. They're 2 7mm bolts on both ends. This is what holds the upper pad.
So how long did you say the install would take?
An hour and a half.
All right, bet. I'm gonna put a little timer right here on the bottom of the screen. We'll see if you get it done in an hour and a half.
I'm test myself an hour and a half, see if I can get it done. All right, we had 10s up here, guys. We took off the clip or the upper pad. Now we got 2 more bolts on the bottom of the grill. Those are 8mm. So let's take those off. And I think that should be it for the grill. It should be loose now. Remember, guys, 4 10mm on top and then 2 of the 8mm aquí abajo. And I have 1 on each side. That should release the grill, aparte, plus the little clips that it has on there. Not yet, bro, not yet. We got the other grill that we're gonna be doing. We got the STX grill we're gonna be putting on, but not yet. So the sensors that we're taking off the top of the grill, I didn't know this, but it looks like it has some vents back here. And they move. I hope I'm not gonna mess it up, but look, they move.
Oh, you fucked it up.
Nah, for real? That's badass. I didn't know Ford did that, guys. So it has a sensor here. This is a little motor that moves these things up and down. And then I think this is a temperature sensor. I've never seen that before. That's pretty badass. Now we're taking out the headlights, guys. We got 2 different sockets, 10mm on top and the 8mm on the bottom. I see 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. I think there's 2 on the bottom, 2 and 2. So let's take them off, see how it looks without headlights. It also has another clip right here. So when you take off the 2 10mm bolts, you got a little plastic clip. You can take it off with this tool as well. This is the last bolt. It's kind of hidden, so I want to show you real quick. It's right here, right behind or underneath the headlight. And it's also a 10mm bolt. You're gonna need some kind of an extension, so I'm using this extension right here. You would need a deep socket, but I'm gonna make it work with this shallow one. See if we can get it out. There we go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So drop it like I did. There it is. You gotta pull it straight out, guys, because you still have some tabs that are going in into the mounting holes over here, and you'll hear like a kind of like a little bang sound. This is lighter than the other one too. Headlight number 1 taken off. Take off the other one. How much time we got in? 15 minutes, bro. Fonseca said he's paying for lunch if I do it in less than an hour and a half.
Yeah, bro, you get 1 hot and spicy.
Make it 2. Hey, I don't need a 2-quart. That's what a hoodie's for. Put 1 tool in, come out with another one. You don't do that with the Trokiando hoodies also. Make sure you shop online, trokiando.com. Muy bueno para quitar cosas, para desarmar. El pedo es para ponerlo para atrás. It might take me 15 minutes to take everything off, but it might take me 3 days to put it back on. Alright guys, we got the headlights off. Now I'm gonna take off the bumper. There's gonna be 3 bolts, 21 millimeters on each side. And then we have this harness. Popped it off the frame, it was easier to pop out. Once this clip is off, you just have to wiggle it out. That's the only connector that I know of that I've seen on here.
Ya te cortaste.
One cut. One small injury. If you do a job and you don't get cut at least once, did you really do a job?
I'm the videographer and also the assistant mechanic.
Doing a good job, bro. Doing a good job.
I lost a couple bolts though. Forgot to tell you.
What? There we go.
Looking like Edgar's truck.
Oh.
Too soon.
Fuck, that's too soon. Too soon. Hey, that was Fonseca, bro. Throwing shade over there, bro. Did he already tell you where that truck's going to?
No.
That truck
What the fuck?
headed over there. Yeah, that truck went to auction, guys. If you didn't see that video, put a card up here. Edgar had a little accident, totaled his truck. Fast forward to now, that truck went to auction, went to the bids and all that stuff, and it ended up going to RIP to the OG. The Ram is gone. I don't know, hopefully if it pops up somewhere over there, someone will tag us, but
It still has the Trokiando stickers, right?
it still has the windshield decal, it still has the Trokiando Racing in the back.
I see. So you're just trying to advertise and
Yeah. We should have put more decal on it. We should have put like more fucking Trokiando on it. Damn, fucked up. Alright, changing out the headlights assemblies. This is a T30 torque spit. I'll be using this to take off the headlight assemblies. As soon as you take these off, fog light assembly comes out.
what happened, man?
Pinche 40s whose creations. What the fuck is this called? Something about like an air deflector or something?
Air dam.
Air dam? I guess this thing is the one that goes down. I've heard of it. I didn't know this one had it. It goes down after a certain speed. What's in the way of the last bolt on the fog light assembly, so now I gotta take that shit off. So now can you add like another 20 minutes to my an hour and 30 minutes? I'm gonna take off this bolt, which is a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. Should work. This is a 1/2 inch. It fits a little snug, so 13 millimeters should also work. But I'm gonna try to take off 1, 2, 3, 4 of these bolts, and hopefully this thing comes out. If not, I'm gonna have to figure out what else we need to take off. That looks badass. That's a big ass change, huh?
Oh yeah.
That's a badass change. Not even connected, they're not even powered on or nothing. They're just on the bumpers.
You got it, bro? You got it? You got it?
Thanks, man.
Yeah, look at that.
There you go. Thank you, bro. Thanks.
Supervising at its finest.
Oh yeah, doing a good job, bro. I mean, I almost fell on my foot, but don't worry about it.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, that one's been turning for a while.
I think it crushed right. Bumper is officially on. Just gotta put it on the harness. But damn, man, pinche cambiazo las fog lights. That is crazy. And that's a small piece to the puzzle. Once we put the headlights, it's gonna make the biggest change.
30 minutes left.
30 minutes, bro. You taking my time, bro. You just wanna talk. You keep on making conversation, then we stop working and
We'll
shit.
take a break over there while I film this.
Harness is next right now. Shout out to the guys at Coyote F150s. They got the harness. They also got the headlights and the fog lights ready. The cool thing about this harness is it comes with instructions. So it kind of tells you what wires you need to depin and pin back in there. I'm not gonna go into depth into those, but here's a little glimpse at them. Now, quick note. This harness is specifically for a halogen to LED conversion. I know these trucks came with a bi-LED. If you have that setup, you gotta make sure you order the right harness because the harnesses could be different. So make sure when you're ordering the harnesses, you get either halogen to LED or bi-LED to LED. Go ahead and route this harness through here. So it's gonna plug up in here. And this one should plug up right here. Okay. All right, slap on the headlight. Make sure we connect it before we do it. Damn! Now that is the way these trucks should come out of the factory. Got the sign of approval over there.
Looks good to me.
4 minutes to spare, bro.
We ain't cut it, bro.
What do you mean? It's on.
It's not done. Mira. Look at that.
This whole thing right here?
Yeah.
This thing? If this is what's gonna make it or break it, bro. Boom.
Oh, you done?
That's it, bro.
You done?
Yep.
What time is it?
12:57.
So 3 minutes
3 minutes to spare.
to spare
That's it.
to do all the wiring. Good luck, man. Good luck. You forgot about those bolts? 1 o'clock.
A 2021 F150, and it does not have either the platinum headlights or these, the Raptor Euro headlights. It's a must to upgrade.
Stuck my stick in the hole. Yeah. In that hole right there, you can't even see it. But that's what I did.
Okay, good job. 1 second. That's even better because they had already ran a power wire through there, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys, wires are in the cab. That wasn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be harder.
6.5 hours later.
Could really fucking, find spicy right now.
Yeah, he's been down there for a while, so.
Ah! Yes.
Tomorrow. 3 days later.
Look way too comfortable right there. It's about to be 5.
Oh, no way. All right, guys, we got the whole harness connected. I ain't gonna lie, it was a bitch. It's not that hard. There's only like 4 or 6 wires. It wasn't that bad. The hard part was having to deep pin them out. Not that easy, especially because the harness is so tucked in there. You can't pull it out to work on it. You either have to be laying down or you have to be very uncomfortable. Now we're gonna hook up the computer and finish that off. Hopefully get these things to turn on for the very first time. Hell yeah. Pinche cambiazo, güey. Right? Sheesh. It looks badass. It looks badass, guys. Now, the computer thing was a little, it wasn't tricky. There's just a lot of numbers on there that you have to be changing. So you got to be careful. You mess up with the wrong number, you don't save it, you don't know what to put in it, then you're pretty much going to mess it up. So we had to go step by step. There was a bunch of numbers that we changed on there. So good thing is Edgar and Fonseca were right behind me double checking the numbers. Como que they a little dim, no?
Yeah, it look dim, bro.
These? I've seen some trucks that are very bright. Let's fuck with them. Let's see if we can figure it out.
Way fucking brighter.
Woo! Brighter or what?
Way brighter.
That shit brighter than my future, bro.
Can we try a little bit more?
I say we go a little bit more.
Yeah? Let me go look at it. Oh shit, bro. Big ass difference. You got a Coyote this year, 2021 or newer, you gotta do this conversion here, guys. It's a must. It gives it a whole new look. Check it out.